This is 438 Hammond Street in Bangor. This is the front of the house, which is on Hammond Street. And the apartment that we're going to look at is apartment number 3. This is on the corner of Hammond Street and 7th Street. And the entrance to the apartment is on the 7th Street side. The parking is also on this side. This apartment is on the 2nd floor. This is a one-bedroom apartment. It does have a fairly large one-bedroom. This is an older building, but the apartment has been nicely renovated, although it does have some nice older features as well. So this is the kitchen. The kitchen has been nicely redone. Nice new countertops and cabinets. And this is, again, one of those older buildings, so it does have nice high ceilings. Has new replacement windows. And then over here's the living room. Again, they have retained the mantle fireplace, which of course is not working, but it does have a nice feature. Has the mirror over the top. This does have a new digital thermostat, which is pretty nice. It has a closet over here. Nice deep one for storage. A lot of light in here. This is the bathroom. It is a full bath, so it has a does have a shower. Nice and high, great for tall people. And then it does have an older vanity. The owner would be willing to switch that out. It doesn't have a mixer, so it has separate hot and cold. So some people don't mind that. Some people prefer to have the combination. So the owner is willing to switch that out if somebody did want to have the mixer with the combination hot and cold faucets. So that is an option. And then back here is the bedroom. And there's sort of a neat little corner over here, like an alcove. So it's not real large. You could sort of put a decorative. It does have an outlet, so you could put a desk in here if you wanted to. There's no light, but that could be an option. And then goes into the bedroom, which again is pretty good size. Does have a closet. Again, it's nice and deep. And then it has windows all the way around. The one window that hasn't been replaced here is the one in this kind of corner section. It does bow around, so it's sort of a little bit circular, and that window is actually circular, so that couldn't be replaced, but the other windows are new replacement windows. And then there's a little corner over here where you would likely put the bed. Queen size bed would fit very nicely there. And this building does have a coin-op washer and dryer in the basement. There could also be some storage in the basement if a tenant wanted to store a few things down there. There's been designated areas in the basement for tenant storage. So that is basically the video tour for Hammond Street, apartment number 3. If you have any questions, you can contact us at rentbangor.com or 974-6606.